Hi, my name is Z1, and this is the explanation for the extra credit number 4. So, use the turtle module to draw a Python code to draw the following 6x6 patterns. So, and just use any two colors. So first because we need to draw, so import turtle, we use the turtle module. And the first function, we need to define the small box, the small square. So we pick up the pen and then fill the color and then make it a size. So because it's a box, so it's a little square. So we use a for loop to draw this. So for I in range 0-4, then we assign the size and make it turn right 90 degrees. And the other one is draw. It's actually the second function, and it's also the last function. So we draw pattern. The color we choose is red and green. So colors equal red, and then we use for loop to draw this pattern. So for vertical is 12 small boxes, and for horizontal is 18 small boxes. So we initialize the count, the counter. So because it's like three I don't know how to say that, but it's actually like 3 and 3 and 3 and then 3. So the color will change every 3 times. So if count can divide by 3, I mean count is equal to 0, and if not, so if it's true, the color is green, and else that is red. So, and for last one, we define the turtle and then draw the pattern, and then it's done. So we can run this to see it's right or not. So for here, there's so as I said, it's changed three times, like every 3 times. So 3 red boxes and then 3 green boxes, and 3 red boxes, 3 green boxes, 3 red boxes, and then 3 green boxes, and then just continue again. So it's running. Oh yeah, the test speed. So, and for vertical, there's like red, green, red, and the next one is also green. Yeah, we can see like, yeah, that's green. So that's the program we get.